Hello everyone, this is Lisa. We're working back on the skull tower, and this is going to be the third skull on the skull tower. I started at the bottom and I'm working my way all the way up to the top. So this is the third skull from the bottom, second from the top. This one I'm going to focus on cooler colors. I am still using a black base paint, which is Color Place Onyx Black, to put on the skull initially, and then I will put my colors on top, which I'm focusing on a blue and green color palette for this one, like a light blue and greenish colors for this particular skull. I am doing a swipe, so that means I will be using one of my swiping tools, like a palette knife like this, where I'm going to put the cell activator on top of it, and then I will swipe lightly across the paint, just kind of glide it over the colors, and you'll see the cells form. For my cell activator, I am using a black paint. It's by Amsterdam, Oxide Black. For my other colors, as you can see here, I've got US Art Supply Ivy Green Blue Iridescent, US Art Supply Hooker's Green. This is my cell activator. I've got Master's Touch Ocean Green, this little Piggy Lily Pad, and this little Piggy Frost. And then I've got my swiping tools over here. So I don't really have a plan on how I'm gonna lay out my colors. I just gonna put them on randomly and then swipe. And because this is such a large wooden piece, normally when I'm working on smaller pieces with swipes, after the cells form, I will spin it, as you've seen on previous videos. I'll spin it on my cake spinner and the cells will spread out and get larger. With this being so large, I do not spin, I just tilt it from side to side. That does a couple of things. It gets the extra paint off, but it also allows some of those cells that have formed to get a little bit larger. And the reason why I do tilt to get some of that extra paint off is because you don't want a thick layer of paint on the surface here, because if you have a thick layer of paint, it will crack on you. It will get these really deep grooves and cracks in there, and it can mess it up. It doesn't always look so great. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start. And again, this is gonna be a swipe just like the previous two skulls. This one's gonna be a swipe. The next one will also be a swipe as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and start. I will speed up the video a little bit for you guys, because this does take a lot longer than however many minutes I'm going to speed it up to. I try to keep it less than 10 minutes for you guys, and I will add some music. Please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. I will list all my colors also in the description for you guys. The recipes I'm using for the colors are from the SheleeArt technique, which is what I learned how to do the swipes. And if you're interested in taking the class, please let me know and I can get you the link for that, or I'll post it down in the description for you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or share it, and please subscribe to my videos. And if you hit the bell, it will also notify you of any future videos that I post up. Okay, enjoy. there's the skull. I'm gonna get a little bit closer up. You can see a little bit of that bling, that shimmer from the blue and the green. Some of that light green right here, you can see it shimmer, and the blue a little bit. It's really hard to capture, but it's there. Okay, that's skull number 3.